As we know that students, we are just going to cover the very next part of the chapter. Golu grows a nose. How? That we will cover in this part. Then as we know that he is in the habit of asking from all the animals and about their habits, about their way of living, their style of walking and flying and living, everything, all the questions he want to know from different kinds of animals, and he has relationship with them. Then he asked his tall uncle, the giraffe, what makes your skin so spotty? He asked his huge uncle, the hippopotamus, why are your eyes always so red? He asked his hairy uncle, the baboon, why do melons taste like melons? The ostrich, the giraffe, the hippopotamus, and the baboon had no answer to Goli questions. Goli is a naughty baby, they said. He asked such difficult questions. You know that even students, that children, when you are walking with the children in the market, or when you are playing or sitting with them, when they look something, they want to put such difficult question that we are unable to reply them. Such are the questions that Golu as a baby want to ask from these all the animals, that everyone supposed to be in trouble, and they called him naughty because it was, childhood is the age in which there is curiosity either in children or in animals, because that is the age of your curiosity and emotional and physical changes, especially in human beings. That all the same, here Golu also wanted to know why are your eyes so red, means about their symptoms. What he used to see, he used to put the direct questions to the particular animals, and they were completely in problem. They were unable to reply his questions. One day Golu made the Minna bird sitting in the middle of a bush, and he asked her, what does the crocodile have for dinner? उसने एक बार पूछ दिया कि क्रोकोडाइल डिनर में क्या लेता है. The Minna said, go to the banks of the great grassy Limpopo river and find out. He replied that if you want to know about the dinner of the crocodile, you need to visit the river, the certain river, the particular river where the crocodile lives. Golu went home. He took 100 sugar canes. He went directly his home and took 100 sugar cane, fly dozen banana and 20 and 25 melons. Then he said to his family, goodbye, I am going to the great grassy Limpopo river. He said. He also informed his family members that he is going to the river where crocodile lives. I will find out what the crocodile has for dinner. He said that I am going to just know from the river that what is his dinner. He had never seen a crocodile and didn't know what one looked like. Even he had never seen the crocodile and never just wanted to know that what is the shape and size of the crocodile. So he wanted to visit and see that how it is looked. He met a python and asked him, have you ever seen a crocodile? He wanted to know from the python that, do you know what is the color, what is the shape, what is the size, how a crocodile looks like. He wanted to know from the python, that so called a very dangerous snake. What does he look like? What does he have for dinner? Do you know what is his dinner? How he looks, how can I identify? He wanted to know that all these questions from the python. the snake, the dangerous snake. Thank you.